Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about the T-Motor F45 4-in-1 32-bit ESC. This is the newer one of the two, so we got the 55 amp last week. I'm also going to be testing it out together with the F60 Pro V2 with 2500 kV. So I'm very excited, let's hop onto the field and do some flying. So I started off by doing some freestyle. At this point I had never flown with this setup before. I was very happy with how it felt really smooth, and I really liked the sharp responsive feeling of this combination. As you can see, around this point I started to do some testing about the oscillation handling with this setup. I was very interested in this because my older setup I did not do any tuning, or I did not change my props very often, and it actually did pretty okay. But this setup did actually great. I did not notice any oscillations, even though I went full stick in the one direction and then punched the throttle all the way to the other. So really good. I really liked how the ESC held up while flying a racetrack. I did definitely punch the throttle and my LiPos didn't like it, but my ESC did a really good job. I also touched it after flying and the heatsink was definitely hot, so that means the heatsink is doing a great job at cooling the ESC itself. In the end, I also want to talk about the ESC itself, because as you can see, it's not a normal ESC, it has a very big heatsink on top of it. And I think this is a great thing, because now you can push more amps and it will easily handle it. But it also brings some downsides, and that's that the ESC is very big. So if you have a very tight quad, you may need to measure it out, because it is a big ESC. Overall, I think T-Motor did a great job with this ESC. It has everything we need. It has high amps, it has a heatsink, and it's very easy to solder. So I'm really liking this setup. It just feels really nice when flying around. So I will definitely be using this in my 2019 racing season.